everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Kalpana. How are you? I hope you will be good. And I am going to talk about please don't watch my video. And why? And the reason is I am not able to teach you. I'm not a teacher who teaches you English. I'm not English trainer who trains you. I'm not a coach. I'm not an advisor who advises you. I am a learner. I am a beginner. And I make video to improve my English speaking. I am trying to express my views in English to make video. And that's why I make video. And I get stuck while speaking. I'm making so many mistakes while speaking. I can't speak so fast. I can't speak with fluency and confidently. And that's the reason is I am saying that I am not able to teach you English. I am also a learner and I am here only for English practice. That's why I make video, and that's why I am saying that please don't watch my video. And I could not speak very well at this time. When I speak, I'm getting stuck. And that's why I'm not able to teach you. I am trying to improve my English speaking. And that's why I make video to improve my speaking, and I am sharing my views in English with you only for my English practice, only for to improve my English speaking. So, and if I make any mistake to express my views, please forgive me, and thanks for watching.